Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TikTok app and enable creator tools. Quick tutorial step by step clear. To install the TikTok app, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you use an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to type in TikTok. Press enter or tap the search icon to see the results. Locate the TikTok app in the search results. Tap on the app icon to open its details page. On the app details page, click on the install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the TikTok app by tapping the icon. You will be greeted by a welcome screen. If you already have an account, tap on the login button. To create a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. After logging in or signing up, navigate to your profile by tapping on the Me icon at the bottom right. To enable creator tools, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down and tap on Creator Tools. Here, you will find various options to explore the features available, such as analytics, video scheduling, and live streaming. Adjust the settings based on your preferences. Once done, exit the settings to return to your profile. You are now ready to start creating and sharing content on TikTok. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.